Good morning, friends. Today we learn about histology of stomach from BSc third year class, paper number 2nd, mammalian histology. Stomach is tubular sac-like structure. It is greatly dilated portion of the alimentary canal, and when the stomach is empty, it shows tubular structure. When the stomach extends from esophagus to the duodenum, stomach main function temporary storage of food material as well as digestion of food material takes place in the stomach. When we see stomach wall, stomach wall has different four histological layers: mucosa, submucosa, muscularis externa and serosa. Let us start with mucosa layer. The mucosa or mucous membrane of the empty stomach has numerous ridges or folds, and which are also known as roots. It is also called as gastric glands, gastric folds. These gastric folds vary in height and number with the degree of distension of organ. When stomach is fully distended with food, disappear of folds, the appearance and disappearance of roots may be due to loose nature of submucosa layer. Mucosa contains single layer of columnar epithelial cells. These are rest on the very thin basement membrane. The epithelial surface is divided by groove into small irregular area called as gastric pits. The glands are present in gastric pit. It is called as gastric glands. These gastric glands opens into the gastric pits. The epithelium of mucous layer and gastric pits, these are structurally and functionally different from the gastric glands. Next layer is lamina propria layer. It is composed of connective tissue fibers plus connective tissue cells. It contains lymphocytes as well as lymphatic nodules, and glands are present in lamina propria layer. Next layer is muscularis mucosa layer. Below the lamina propria, muscularis mucosa layer is present, which consists of thin layer of smooth muscle fibers arranged inner circular muscle and outer longitudinal muscle. Stomach shows different gland cells. In stomach, gland cells are present. Three types of gland cells are present: gastric glands, pyloric gland and cardiac glands. Present gastric glands, it is also called as fundic glands. These gastric glands having different parts: mouth, it is called as isthmus; neck region, body, main part of glands, and dilated portion, it is called as base. These gastric glands mainly composed of four types of cells distributed in different region. First cells, it is called as chip cells. These chip cells are also called as peptic cell. It is also called as zymogen cells. These are numerous cells of gastric glands, and these cells are pyramidal in structure. These cells are pyramidal in structure with basal nucleus present towards the basal region. Cytoplasm shows pepsinogen granules. Cytoplasm shows pepsinogen granules as well as lot of rough endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, Golgi complex present in the cytoplasm. Function of these chip cells: mainly secretes pepsin for protein digestion. Next cell is parietal cells. These parietal cells are present towards the neck region. It is also called as axanthic cells. These cells are oval shaped with centrally placed nucleus. These cells are oval shaped with centrally placed nucleus. Cytoplasm shows granules. Granules are present in cytoplasm as well as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Mitochondria are present in the cytoplasm. These cells are numerous towards the neck region. Parietal cells have intercellular invagination, and this invagination is called as intercellular canaliculi. In this neck region, parietal cell shows intercellular invagination, and this invagination is called intercellular canaliculi. Next cell is neck mucous cells. These neck mucous cells present towards the neck region, and these cells differ from epithelial mucous cells. These cells again columnar-like structure. These cells shows column-like structure, basally located nucleus, and cytoplasm shows granules, and these mucin granules are present. Mucigen granules are present in the cytoplasm, and these cells mainly secretes mucus which protect gastric gland from attack of HCl or enzymes in the lumen. These mucus cells secretes mucus and protect from attack of HCl, that is gastric gland protection takes place with the help of mucus cells. Next cell is Argenta fina cell. It is also called as gastrointestinal endocrine cells. Argenta fina cells, it is also called as gastrointestinal endocrine cells. These cells are usually located at the base of gastric gland. These cells are usually located at the base of gastric gland. These cells again consist different type of cells. First one is ECL cells. These ECL cells secretes histamine, and histamine hormone stimulate the parietal cells to secrete HCl. Next cell is G cells. It is called as gastrin secreting cells, and this gastrin is also responsible to stimulate parietal cells for secretion of HCl. Next cell is D cell. D cells secretes somatostatin hormone, and this somatostatin hormone inhibits the parietal cells to inhibit the HCl secretion. Next layer is submucosa layer, and this submucosa layer mainly consist of loosely arranged connective tissue. It contains loose connective tissue as well as large blood vessels, nerves including Meissner's plexus, lymphatic cells, mast cells, adipose tissues are present in submucosal layer. Next layer is muscularis externa layer. These muscularis externa layers having smooth muscle fibers, and it consists of three layers: inner oblique muscle layer, middle circular muscle layer, and outer longitudinal muscle layer is present, and last layer, outermost layer, it is called as serosa layer, and these serosa layer loosely arranged connective tissues are present, which is covered by the mesothelium layer. Let us summarize it. This stomach is muscular sac-like structure. This stomach mainly divided into cardiac stomach, fundic, dome-shaped fundic stomach, and body, main part of stomach, and pyloric region is present. Histologically, stomach wall shows four layers: mucosa, submucosa, muscularis externa, and serosa layer. Mucosa layer shows irregular longitudinal folds, mainly consist gastric pits. These gastric pits mainly consist gastric glands. Gastric glands opens into the gastric pit. Next layer is lamina propria layer. This lamina propria layer consists loose connective tissue, cells, lymphatic nodules, glands are present. Next layer is muscularis mucosa layer. This muscularis mucosa layer is thin, mainly composed of smooth muscle layer, and these muscles are two types of muscles are present: inner circular muscle, outer longitudinal muscles are present. Next, stomach glands. Three types of stomach glands are present. First is gastric gland, second is pyloric gland, and third one is cardiac gland is present. Gastric gland having four parts: mouth, neck, body, and base. Mouth, neck, body, and base. These gastric glands again consist different cells, and these different cells are parietal cells. It is also called as oxyntic cells, mainly secretes HCl as well as intrinsic factors. These intrinsic factor helps absorption of vitamin B12. Second cell is chip cell. It is also called as zymogen cells, also called as pepsinogen cells, secretes pepsinogen and weak lipids for digestion of lipids. Third one cell is neck mucus cells. These mucus cells secretes mucus to protect the gastric gland cells. Next type is enterochromaffin cells. It is also called as argentaffina cells. It is also called as gastrointestinal endocrine cells. These cells having different three types. First one is ECL cells. It is called as enterochromaffin cells. These cells secretes histamine hormone, and histamine hormones stimulate the parietal cell to secrete the HCl. Second cells, G cells. These G cells secretes the gastrin hormone, and this gastrin hormone is also responsible to stimulate the parietal cells for secretion of HCl. Third cell, D cells. These D cells are somatostatin secreting D cells. This inhibits the parietal cells secretion of HCl. Next gland is pyloric gland present in stomach, and this pyloric gland is simple tubular gland. These open into the pyloric pit, secretes mucus secretion, and these glands occurs in the pyloric region. Next gland is cardiac gland. These cardiac glands present in between esophagus and stomach, and according to location gives name cardiac gland. This cardiac gland is also mucus secreting glands. Next layer is submucosa layer. This submucosa layer mainly consists connective tissue, connective fibers, lymphatic blood vessels, large blood vessels are present, nerve fibers, mast cells, adipose tissue are present in submucosa layer. Next layer is muscularis externa. This muscularis externa consists three types of muscles: inner oblique muscle, middle circular muscle, and outer longitudinal muscle. And last one layer is serosa layer. It is outermost coat consisting of loosely arranged connective tissue which is covered by mesothelium layer. The diagnostic feature of stomach: in stomach roots are present. Mucosa contains single layer of columnar epithelium. Gastric pits are present. Gastric glands mainly forms three types of gastric glands. Gastric, pyloric, and cardiac glands are present, and this gastric gland contains four types of cells: chip cells, parietal cell, mucus secreting cells, and argenta fina cells are present. And last, muscularis externa layer present in stomach. Here additional oblique muscle layer is present in stomach. Thank you.